Hello, this is day 184. It's Monday today. Yesterday was a full moon and today there is a full moon too, I think. I slept very well and I had an amazing dream. I don't remember all of it, but I was some sort of superhero and was fighting in a league with superheroes against nature catastrophes like earthquakes and tornadoes, yeah, something like that. After I woke up, I read that Princess Kate finally was in labor. I think the whole world was waiting for this news since the beginning of July, and my guess would have been that the baby would be born on the 24th, so it was kind of surprised that it was today, and it's a boy. That's the reason why I'm wearing blue, otherwise I would have worn something pink. Yeah, what did I do today except waiting for the royal baby news? I made a few things for my diploma work, and I started the third part for my diploma work, which is results, and I put in all my things I did yesterday at Excel, and I have now 25 pages, but I'm not finished yet, and tomorrow I will start my interpretations to what I put in, and then I will send it to my minder. And I hope that most of it is okay and that I can finish maybe my diploma work by the end of this week. It depends on how good the other parts were and how fast she will go through all the things I sent her. Yeah, that was it for today. Exciting royal baby news, but boring stuff here at home. And I hope you will watch my video tomorrow. Thank you for clicking on this video and good night. Bye. So this was something, text. I'll answer that later.